What's up? Here we are, 2-minute drill. Let's jump in. All right, today we're going to focus on quieting the noise of the health and wellness industry, specifically when you're on social media. The first thing is to minimize or narrow your consumption. We all consume content. We're always on social media, and when you're looking at wellness information, let's start to narrow it down to specifics within our wellness journey that we want to focus on. Not something that's so broad, right? Really focusing on our focus and learn more about that specific issue and making sure we're digging deep on people or listening to people that are producing content in that specific or professionals in that specific area. Number two, unfollow anybody that does not have your life. I personally don't follow any wellness or health influencers or educators that don't have a business and don't have a family. If you're in great shape and you look great and you don't have a family and you don't have a business, you don't have my life. And so the information you might have is great, but it doesn't apply strictly to my life and the things that you're balancing similar to me. Next, look for people that are evidence-based, not just anecdotal-based. So looking for people that are making claims or talking about wellness information or providing wellness education, and then are giving the evidence behind that and why they're doing it, to showing that it's backed up by real evidence and scientific literature, not just saying this worked really well for me or this is my opinion, because that's great sometimes, but also we want to make sure we have that. Next is watch out for quick fixes, fads, overnight detoxes, all of the things, the infomercial style stuff where it's like all you need, what you're missing and your problem is this pill or this one supplement or this one quick overnight product. Again, it doesn't work if it's weight loss, if it's wellness, if it's a wellness journey, it's not going to be fixed overnight, and understand that and avoid any type of content or things like that. We're trying to trick you into buying something that is going to happen in 24 hours and fix all of your issues that you've been battling for a long time. And then lastly, we cannot forget to unplug and identify the root causes that we're struggling with. Get off of social media, find out what we're really struggling with, and again, narrowing that focus and really digging in deep into finding practitioners, finding education, finding social accounts, and just consuming content that is answering the problems or the root cause that you're dealing with. Hope that helps. See you in the next one.